Hey guys, looking for the best budget mechanical keyboard that doesn't skim on features? Or maybe you are searching for the best mechanical keyboard for enthusiasts? Okay, please meet YUNZII AL68 aluminum keyboard. This is a premium 65 mechanical keyboard which is packed with features that make it a strong contender in both categories, from 3-mode wireless connectivity to gasket-mounted creamy typing. Okay, let's see what makes this keyboard stand out. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. The YUNZII AL68 comes in a sleek, well-designed package. Inside you will find the keyboard itself, a USB-C cable, a keycap puller, a switch puller, and several extra switches, and of course a user manual. It is great to see that YUNZII includes tools for customization right out of the box, because this is ideal for anyone who wants to dive into the world of mechanical keyboards. The YUNZII AL68 is an aluminum mechanical keyboard, and the build quality is just perfect. Its aluminum frame feels durable and premium with a glossy back panel, and obviously it adds a touch of elegance. This is a 65% keyboard featuring 68 keys and a metal knob for controlling volume and RGB lighting. It's perfect for anyone looking for a compact yet functional layout, and thanks to 3-mode wireless connectivity, which is Bluetooth 2.4G and USB, you can seamlessly switch between up to 5 devices, whether you are using it with Mac, Win, Linux, or even your smartphone or iPad. This keyboard has you covered. Next, let's talk about the keycaps and switches. The AL68 comes with a double-shot PBT keycaps, which are incredibly durable and resistant to wear. Their cherry profiles provide a really comfortable typing experience, and the south-facing RGB LEDs deliver vibrant, evenly distributed lighting without any interference from the keycaps. The switches are pre-looped, offering a smooth and creamy feel right out of the box, and PCB compatible with both 3 and 5 switches. So if you want to swap them out for something like Gatron or Echo, you are good to go. AL68 features a gasket-mounted design, which is a huge plus for anyone seeking for a real choky, damped typing experience. The flex-cut PC plate and the 4-layer of sound dampening materials work together to reduce vibration and create a true satisfying sound profile. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a carefully created tool for both for work and for gaming. The 6000 mAh battery is another standout feature, providing up to 4 days of use without RGB, making it one of the best premium mechanical keyboard for productivity and gaming on the market. Here is what you've been waiting for, a sound test of the YUNZII AL68 with the stock pre-looped switches. One of the standout features of the AL68 is its full support of QMK and VIA. This means you can remap keys, you can create macros and fully customize the RGB lighting. The setup process is straightforward, and with QMK or VIA, the possibilities are virtually endless, whether you are a gamer or professional. So, is the YUNZII AL68 worth it? Absolutely. It delivers a premium mechanical keyboard experience at a budget-friendly price point. The 65% layout is perfect for those who want a compact keyboard without sacrificing functionality, and the 3-mode wireless connectivity adds incredible versatility, right? From the high-quality aluminum build to the customization via QMK driver, this is easily one of the best custom mechanical keyboards on the market right now. Whether you're a gamer or typist or someone who just loves a good keyboard, the AL68 is worth considering. If you are interested, check out the product links below in the description and let me know in the comments what you think about this keyboard.